Welcome friends, welcome to how-to-ans.com. Today we are going to telling you that how we can convert uppercase words in lowercase and lowercase words in uppercase. For that we don't have to do much more, as we always say you uh, be with how-to-ans.com and learn that how we can use these short and very short tricks. First of all, we have to go into Microsoft Word. In Microsoft Word, we can use this function. First of all, we have to need uh, if we want to use our sentence or words in uppercase, we need lowercase data, lowercase text. First of all, we are going to typing that. Yes, friends, see, we have sorry, we have typed many words, few sentence in this, and our all words are in lowercase. Now we want to convert them in uppercase. First of all, we have to select them, and then we have to go to this short button. When we click on it, it will show us that you want to change it in uppercase. You have to click on uppercase. See, all words are uppercase. Select all. If we want to use these words in lowercase, we can click again it, and we will click on, when we click on lowercase, it will change into lowercase. Now see, we can change it in many others also, like that capitals each word. It means that every word of the every single word of the word will be capital. Click it. Every word is capital. See, we can sentence case. It means that our sentence first word will be capital and others will be small. See, our this is new sentence. This is our new sentence. So see, new sentence. Now we can change it into back. First word, first single word will be small and others will be large. See, according to our need we can change these words. Thank you for being with us. Keep doing and keep learning with how-to-ans.com. Thank you for being with us. How-to-ans is a platform for doing anything. Don't worry about how to do. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for keep learning.